Hey, what's going on, guys? So today we got a call for a carrier unit that was not displaying anything on the keypad whenever you turn the power switch on. So the first thing you want to look for, I spoke to the driver. He said he replaced the battery. He thought it could have been that, etc., etc. But whenever you turn the run switch on, nothing lit up, nothing happened. So the first thing you want to do is disassemble the front cover. Let me show you that. All right, so guys, this is the front cover right here. You got two little latches. All right, go ahead and open them up. All right, once you get those opened up, this is your main circuit board right here. It's got two bolts in it. I've already removed those. You want to go ahead and remove those. So once you open it up, it gives you a full diagram of what everything goes to, etc. But you got a whole bunch of fuses right here. You also have fuses on the main board itself. This is your main relay fuse. All right, it was not blown. However, this fuse right here and this fuse right here, which are main power fuses, all right, were both blown. So I went ahead and replaced those, and that fixed the issue. But mainly what I see is whenever I pull these apart and we're having this issue, it's the main relay fuse that's blown in it. So always check it, pull the cover off. It's a big blade fuse, check it, and then if it's good, go ahead and check the rest of them. 9 times out of 10, that's what the main problem is, unless the actual board went out itself. So that pretty much sums it up. Quick tutorial on how to get power to these things.